Do you have low engagement for your Facebook parties? Do you feel like your time is wasted? Do you feel like you have little to no control? If you answered yes to any of those questions, I am going to show you a quick 5-day format for your Facebook parties using one very powerful, purposeful tool on day one of your Facebook parties. Hi, my name is Lacey Perkins, and I am a direct sales leader almost over 9 years. I am here to share one of my biggest tips in the Facebook party world. It's using a poll. Yes, that's right. I said a poll, but this poll is not just any poll. It is a purposeful and very powerful poll that will increase your engagement, give you back time, and give you control in your Facebook parties. A poll allows your guests to participate and express their opinions on what they want to see. Yes, we want to ask them, what do you want to see for the next 5 days? Now, if your company has 5 products, 10 products, 50 plus products, you're only going to take the top 3 popular votes from this poll. The poll is going to give you back control because now you, based off the top 3 answers from this poll, can now schedule and create your content for days 2 through 5 of your Facebook party. Here is how the poll is going to give you back time. If your host and guests do not participate on day 1's poll, you do not continue with the party. What? Freak out moment. Have your freak out moment. I'm going to say it again. If your host and guest on day 1 do not vote on the poll for your Facebook party, you do not waste your time creating content and posting. Why would you, right? A poll, let's look at a poll again. A poll's purpose is to collect feedback on things that you want to see. So if you don't want to see anything, that tells me, as the consultant, that tells me that the Facebook portion of this party is not going to be successful for these guests. So there's no need to be like, freak out, oh my gosh, all my party's done. No. What this means is that you're going to switch gears. This allows you, and I'm giving you permission to stop the party. And it is the best thing ever. And when I implemented this in my Facebook parties last year, it was like a breath of fresh air. This is what you would send to the host when and if the day 1's poll does not get voted on. Hey girl, looks like your Facebook portion of the party is not going to be successful for your friends and family, and that is totally okay. So here's a shopping link that you can share, text, message, email, post to your friends and family, and they have up to a week to order from to help you get reward. Now, what kind of content do you put in this poll? Because this poll is such a powerful poll, you just don't want to willy-nilly. It needs to be purposeful content in there for people to vote on. So of course you're going to want to put your products. Another thing that you will want to put in your poll is seasonal things. Seasonal things such as springtime cleaning or Halloween or summer fun. This is going to allow you to share a little bit more about your product in your company. And another thing I always suggest is do something that's relatable. So for example, I'm with a company that does fragrance. So of course I'm going to put something relatable. I just want my car to smell good. I just want my laundry to smell good. Something in there mixed in, because that allows you to share a little bit more content. Here's an example of a poll that I did in a recent Facebook party. You're going to take your top 3 votes and start to create your content. As you can see in my example group here, top votes was wax and warmers. This is where you can start to add engagement throughout your party for the next 5 days. Throw in polls. So for day 2, I played a poll game called This or That. I took our brand new top 10 warmers that we had, and I played a this or that game. As I'm scrolling through my example party here, you're going to notice how I weave in other products that weren't necessarily the top votes on day 1, but were voted in the seasonal and relatable items. For example, here, why only 5 days? A 5-day Facebook party can be a perfect amount of days because it allows a good balance of engagement and allows a good balance of participation without the informational overload. And that's it. It all comes from doing a powerful, purposeful poll on day 1 and basing your content off of that for days 2 through 5. And again, nobody votes on day 1. Stop the party. If they don't want to vote, they don't want to be there. That's the secret recipe and formula for a successful, engaging Facebook party. If this helped you, or you think of somebody who this can help, please share this video with others. If you're successful with this party, share in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that little bell. Bye, guys.